Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best mini bread pans are probably one of the most versatile baking tools you can have in your kitchen, perfect for creating adorable individual loaves, delightful muffins, or even creative savory treats. Whether you're whipping up a batch for a party, experimenting with new recipes, or simply want to enjoy perfectly portioned bread without the commitment of a large loaf, these pans offer endless possibilities and are a must-have for any baking enthusiast. Number 5. Cuisinart CMBM 4LP Mini Loaf Pans. These mini loaf pans are perfect for baking individual loaves. Their heavy-gauge steel construction ensures even heating for consistently delicious results. Its premium non-stick interior and exterior make releasing your baked goods and cleanup a breeze. Enjoy effortless baking and easy cleaning. The thick rolled edges prevent warping, ensuring these pans will last. They're built to withstand the rigors of frequent use. Cleaning up after baking has never been easier. These pans are completely dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. We stand behind the quality of our product. It comes with a lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind. Each pan measures 6.1 L x 3.4 W x 1.9 H inches and weighs 1.195 pounds. They are the perfect size for individual servings or mini loaves. What we like? It provides even heating thanks to its heavy-gauge steel construction. The premium non-stick surface makes for easy release and cleanup. If you're looking for a durable, long-lasting mini loaf pan that delivers consistent baking results, this is the one for you. What people say? Great size for the single human. We like the metal weight and the sturdy clamp holding the pan together and the easy release when baking is complete. Super high quality, heavy pans with very nice non-stick coating. Christmas trees measure about 414 x 414 across the tallest and widest areas. I have a favorite quick bread recipe that I like to make in the winter, and one full-size loaf's worth split perfectly between the 4 mini pans. The metal is heavy and the loaves came out a golden brown color. The pans were easy to clean and they stack nicely until next time. Number 4. Mini loaf pan with silicone handle. These handy pans are perfect for baking a variety of treats. Each pan bakes 8 mini loaves, ideal for individual portions or sharing. They're made of high-quality, food-safe carbon steel with silicone handles for a secure grip and easy handling. It's safe for high temperatures and distributes heat evenly. The non-stick coating makes releasing your baked goods a breeze, and cleanup is quick and simple. No more scrubbing stuck on food. Use them for mini loaves, brownies, cheesecakes, or even individual pizzas. The possibilities are endless. These pans make a wonderful gift for bakers of all skill levels. They're also great for baking sales or parties. Get 2 mini loaf pans in one pack, doubling your baking capacity and making it even easier to share your delicious creations. What we like? This set includes 2 mini loaf pans with convenient silicone handles for a secure grip. Its non-stick coating ensures effortless release and easy cleanup. If you need multiple pans for larger baking projects or want to give some away as gifts, this is a great option. What people say? They are made of durable steel but lightweight. The silicone handles make it very easy to take them out of the oven. These are definitely non-stick. Each pan makes 1 recipe of banana bread, so equal to 1 regular loaf. Both pans make a double batch. I bake bread in quantity as these little loaf pans work great for mini loaves. And the non-stick aspect is great too. Each loaf came out perfect on size. Number 3. Silicone Mini Loaf Pans. This set includes 4 mini rectangle silicone molds, perfect for creating individual loaves or soaps. They're ideal for baking and crafting, offering versatility in the kitchen and beyond. Made from 100% pure food-grade silicone, it's safe for use with food and can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. It's freezer, oven, and dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. These versatile molds are perfect for a wide variety of uses. From baking bread and cakes to making soaps and candles, they offer endless possibilities. The non-stick surface makes releasing your creations a breeze. Plus, they're incredibly easy to clean. Simply rinse with warm soapy water or pop them in the dishwasher. These silicone molds are built to last. Their reusable design and impermeability ensure long-term use and practicality. Enjoy countless baking and crafting projects with these durable molds. What we like. Made from flexible, food-grade silicone, it's incredibly easy to release your baked goods. This material is also heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe. If you prefer a flexible, easy-to-clean pan and want to explore various baking and crafting projects, this is perfect for you. What people say. They are wonderful. I still lightly grease and flour, but the breads come out perfectly with nice, smooth sides and bottom. My baking items come out so easily. They are easy to clean, too. They fit inside each other so they don't take up much room when storing. Have used these a few times making banana bread and zucchini bread, and every time the bread has turned out great. The mini silicone bread pans are a perfect size for making loaves to give as gifts or for hosting a small get-together. After baking the bread, let it cool down for a few minutes and the loaves come out of the pans easily and cleanly. Number 2. Wilton Recipe Right Mini Loaf Pans. These 3 mini loaf pans make baking multiple treats at once a breeze. Maximize your oven space and minimize baking time for perfectly sized cakes, breads, or cornbread. Made from heavy-gauge steel, it ensures even heating for a beautiful golden brown finish every time. The wide handles provide a secure, comfortable grip. With a premium non-stick coating, baked goods release effortlessly. Cleanup is quick and easy, saving you valuable time. Perfect for so much more than just loaves of bread. Use them to make pound cakes, quiches, meatloaf, or even lasagna. From their sturdy construction to their non-stick surface, these pans are essential for achieving delicious and professional-looking results. They're the perfect addition to any baker's collection. What we like. This 3-piece set is perfect for maximizing oven space and baking multiple mini loaves at once. The heavy-gauge steel ensures even heating, and the non-stick coating simplifies cleanup. If you enjoy baking a variety of mini loaves and want a convenient, durable set, this is ideal. What people say. They arrived stacked and I was a little disappointed that the bottom 2 had small dents on the same corners. I suspect that happened on the way to me with how they were packed, but I had some bananas very ready to go into some banana bread and I didn't think they were bad enough to go through the whole replacement process. They really are the perfect size to make a loaf per person at my home, and it doesn't hurt that they're pretty cute too. Very well constructed, extra long bread pans, exactly what I was looking for. The batch of dough fits perfectly in a single pan and rises beautifully to form the most picture-perfect, long loaf. Really nice pans so far. My bread has come out beautifully. They are not thin or flimsy at all. I bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I've baked twice in them with parchment paper and really haven't even had to wash them since first unpacking. Every crumb slides right out. Number 1. Wilton Perfect Results Mini Loaf Pan. Get ready to bake delicious mini loaves with ease. Its non-stick surface makes for quick release and effortless cleanup. This pan features a durable, non-stick coating that's made without PFAS, ensuring healthy baking and simple cleanup. It's also dishwasher safe for your convenience. With its convenient handles, it's easy to grip and maneuver in and out of the oven. It's perfectly sized for individual portions or small batches. Made of high-quality steel, it distributes heat evenly for consistent baking results. It's also built to last, resisting warping and scratches. It's not just for mini loaves. Use it to bake mini cakes, muffins, or even individual banana breads. The possibilities are endless. Backed by Wilton's 10-year limited warranty, you can trust in its quality and durability. It's a must-have for any home baker. For best results, wash it in warm, soapy water before and after each use. Always use detergents that are safe for non-stick surfaces. What we like. With 8 cavities, this pan is perfect for baking many mini loaves simultaneously. The non-stick surface makes it easy to clean, and the durable steel construction ensures even heating. If you need a large capacity pan for parties or large baking projects, this is your best choice. What people say. Perfect little banana nut loaves. This pan is fantastic. I do recommend oiling and then flouring the pan to ensure a no-stick experience. I love the size of the loaf compartments. The loaves are a generous size for one person. I did spray the pan lightly with non-stick spray before filling each cavity 3/4 of the way with batter. Getting 8 mini loaves took a single recipe of cornbread. Once baked, I let the pan cool for about 5 minutes before flipping it over. Despite this cornbread being a no-fat recipe, none of the loaves stuck to the pan at all. They just fell right out onto the cooling rack, each one picture perfect. Already used this product 3 times and it has held up well, and I really like how I can customize each loaf or cake to fit my family's preferences. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.